I forgot all about this. Yeah, I can upgrade. That's kind of why we need all these upgrades. Oh! So that's how you get Slime Toy Shop. Ow! Yep, I completely forgot about this. So yeah, I think you all saw that I maybe have been a little behind on stuff. Wow, that is a lot of toys. How much is each? 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 200. Okay, so I'm gonna have to remember that when I start earning more money. Which means, sadly for me right now, wow. Chroma packs for the VAC. Let's go with Sapphire. Ooh la la, that looks good. Now let's check the house. Let's give it a firecracker. Let's go Sapphire again. Not bad, not bad. And now the tech. Also Sapphire, because why not? Now that's more like it. Okay, well, now that I've officially gotten some stuff done. Oh. I gotta start selling stuff again. Oh. Withdraw or area cleanup. Oh, okay, cool, cool. Okay, now, before I do anything else, I need to look around. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god, the bees! I forgot they would change color too. A little bit on the weird side, but hey, I'm not complaining. Let me check something. I can still do this one. This is the one I need to do as well for an achievement. Wow. Ah, this is what I need. I need more royal jellies. But I know where to put the new one first. Oh, what's this one? Same thing, got it. Okay, everything is now starting to come together. I need to put it... I guess I'll put it here. And I need you... Nope, not you. You're doing food. You. To start putting it all in the market link. Because we have enough donated here. That's for sure. We just need it all now to go and be sold for money. We're gonna need a lot of it too, so I hope you do your best, little one. Wait, you got... Okay, no. I was gonna say, you're almost out of chickens already? Okay, guys, I'm here, I'm here. There you go. All nice and crispy. Perfect. We're still doing good. I am now with research, sadly. I feel bad doing it, but I kind of need to for getting everything done. Now, with, look over here. I basically built that, sadly, because, well, for achievement, which I can never use now, which stinks. But I can still build everything else. starting with that. And yes, I know, I got other teleporter too. Violet. We're gonna put that down so I can get to the beach faster. Also, this one I'm actually wondered how is for also an achievement. Buy 10 of these suckers. And I'm gonna buy one for each of my wonderful slimes. I'm still gonna leave the donation mark here because I need the pink plorts and I need them now. More than ever. But when I get enough, the next market link is going down here. Because my wonderful slimes down here, I don't need to donate the plorts, I can just sell them. Oh my god, you guys, eat your lemons. Ow. I feel like I have to research everything in order to get things done. And sadly, that's not a good excuse, but it happens. And I hate it has to happen that way. Now with all those distractions gone, let's finally go over here real quick. Ooh, chickens. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I need these. Come on, royal jelly. Dang it. Nah, too close. This should be much safer. Yeah! Awesome. Hey guys, got you some more chickens. There you go. Nice and fed. Were these crystals always here? Oh, good boy. I just wish I could put more bees down in a certain area, but I can't. Because it doesn't work like that. Now, quick question. The next level is Silverstorm 2, which only gives me 2 different skins, and I need 20,000 for it. But I can't also forget that I need to craft certain drills for certain areas, because they are just as important. Boom. Okie dokie, 1 honey, that's fine. Oh, I got more. Cool. Let's create a master drill. And another one of these. I think that's good for now. Sorry. Is the drill in here done? Yes, it is. Awesome, we got 4 items from that. Do we have enough now for the other? Oh wait, no, that's lava dust. I'm an idiot. I still need to figure out how to get that. And I'm stupid, I didn't feed you guys yet. 1 second. Here you go. Oops, sorry. Let's get you guys some... Let's get you some cubes. There you go. There we go. There we go, bursting at the seams. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Put at least 50 units into each slot of a fully upgraded silo. That's what I was missing. Okay, now I don't have to keep doing that anymore. I can put them back. And you guys. There we go. Now, let me check something real quick. The most expensive plort out of all these It looks like it's the Tangle ones. Possibly, I'm not sure, but I want to beat them the one that it's honestly convenient. My best bet would have to be the Dervish. Yeah, I saw you almost had chickens again too, and sorry, little buddy, forgot about you. I just realized too, I don't need the most expensive one. I need the one that needs to be donated most too, other than pink. And the most I need donated would probably be, if we're doing Master Drill, it's probably Mosaic now too. There we go. Now let me check on you guys real quick. Yeah, I already sold all your guys'. Dang. Did I ever go back to the Glass Desert? No, I did not. I totally forgot all about you guys. We need Silky Sand. Oh wait, I don't have enough room. But I'll dump you out just to be sure. We'll be back in a moment. After I pick up the jelly jams. There, now I'll have more inventory when I come back. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I still need lava dust. So, let me see if I can find the last pot I need at the desert. Oh, that's nice. I didn't notice that. Oh man, I missed the music here. It was good. Come on. Yes! Okay. Let me get home real quick. I'm still trying to find it, guys. Don't worry, I will find it soon. Did it get bright in here all of a sudden? The moon must be bright today. Ow. Bingo! Here it is! The last one! A violet warp depot. Finally, I found them all. I can't believe it was up here. Now let's head home. Sweet relief. That one was driving me nuts. How are we looking? Good. More pink floors finally. Thank God. Didn't realize you were already done. I need to put more of these down. Oh my God, I forgot about this one. Oops. Oh my God, and royal jelly, thank you. Alright, let me go back real quick. And put these away, because where I'm going, and this is a big if, I think I know where another one is. I remember these being out here, and I feel like it was built here for a reason. And remember that island I said that possibly couldn't have any? What if it does? I gotta leap on my way there. And I have to have an empty slots in order to do it. I'm just hoping this isn't a waste of time. I'm hoping anyway. Please let me make it. Please. Oh. Is that... That's a purple, isn't it? Okay. Let me check around here first. Make sure there's nothing else around. Oh my... Wow, there was stuff here. Red slime lamp! I wanted one of those. Awesome. Okay. Can I make it over there from right here? That's a big if. I'm not gonna make it. Dang it! Oh. That was a big if. Okay, I wasted a whole day like an idiot. And I got no water left. And neither do they. Man. I knew I shouldn't have attempted the risks. Hold on, everybody. I'll get this all sorted. Just give me a moment. Here we are, back to where we started. It's right over there. Here we go. Much safer. Smart fashion pod. Alright, let's head back. All the way there again. Even though I really don't want to. Oh, wow. That was one I never would have saw if I didn't climb up that mountain. Shady fashion pod. Interesting. Wow, I never would have saw that. Oh, there's one. Huh. Another green one. Mossy tree stump. You'd think I would have found these by now. Alright, next I'm going to try the island right there. See if there's anything there. You never know. It could be over there. Okay. I want to get something a little higher. Can I stand right here? Yes, I can. Thank goodness. The closer and higher I am, the better I'll get at it. Okay, slowly wait. I might be at the top of this thing, I gotta be careful. Oh no. Okay, this might take me a minute, so hold on, I'll be right back. Is there seriously an invisible wall right here? That's not fair. Alright, fine, I'll do it from here. I'll wait till it charges back up and then try. I'll just to see if there's a pot over there, like... And... anything over there? What the heck? Has that always been there and I never noticed? Oh, only I knew more about this game. And yet there was something here. What are you? Amber teleporter. Okay. Now I just got fly back and find 3 more. Wow, I'm only 3 away. Nice. Also, I forgot to mention, happy day 50, everybody. 50 days in, and we are still trying to find them. Oh, here we go. Thanks for guiding the way, my friend. Oh, red one. Cool. Now, is there any on these two islands by chance? Oh, what a shot. Oh, ooh, ooh. Awesome. Now I'm just missing one. Okay, where have I not looked? Maybe there's one on top of it, maybe? Maybe. And there's probably nothing. Never mind. Wow, right here. Wildflower patch. And we got them all. Nice. Now let's head home. Which is just a straight shot this way. Thank you. Oi, I don't need to come back here again unless it's for resources. Still a little disappointed though. I haven't found the one I wanted, which was the upgrade of these two. Wow. Oh, right. Ow. Oops. Gotta remember to save up the honey for that one. Now we got our market links, and I know exactly where they're gonna go. Right after I water my drones, because I have been gone too long again. But first, let me get all these emptied. Yeah, attaboy. Any rare jellies? That's a no, and you guys need to get out of the way. I apologize in advance for doing that. Oh, we got 20,000 now, finally. But I don't blame the drones. They're probably overworked. They're trying their best. Oh, shoot. Like I said before, I wish we could put more bee drones down. But I cannot because of the rules. Only 2 per area. Where can I put them? It'll do. Now your job is to collect fruit, put them in from the gardens, and put them in the auto feeders. And I think you know which ones. Now for the one down here. Thank God you're still in command. Not many spots left. The market link. And I guess we'll take this off. Put a B here. And put the refinery right here. Because I want to start donating stuff. Now, let's change you and put you into marketing link duties. And you to pick up the pickled pears from the gardens and put them into the auto feeders. All right. Perfect. Now we're getting something. Except I still gotta feed these guys. Or we can start putting pickled pears in those. That works too. Bam, 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 bam. Now to get the chickens. Put all these cuberries in there. How you guys doing on chickens? Good, but let's give you a few more. There you guys go. And there you go. Now you're stuck in here. Overgrowth upgrade? Where's that? Oh yeah. The wilds area. I forgot. We can start putting up more and more. Now, there's just one place left to start getting pods at. And to test something out. Are you done already? Nope, you got another 6 minutes. Okay, so now you just gotta figure out where the rest of them are here. In the Indigo Quarry. I'm missing 4. I wish I knew where they were, but we're gonna have to take our time and find them all. Oh, yeah! This is where I remembered it. It was in here. Fireflower patch. Okie dokie. Ooh. My chicken. Oh, yeah. The Hudson area. I forgot what it's called. I don't want to go in just yet. I want to find... Where... Oh! Right here. Heh. A red teleporter? Nice. Nice. Now I'm just missing 2. I want to go in there so bad, but I don't want to risk it yet. Because I am a roll with trying to find these pods. Hey guys. Here we go. Serious fashion pod. Alrighty. Now I'm just missing 1, but I have no clue where it is. Well, I'll be damned. What are the chances? A green warp teapot. Nice. We got them all, finally. Now it's time to go home. Again. Okay. Now there's just 2 places left to look for pods. I cannot believe we're almost done finally. Okay, I also need more oh, apologies. I also need more wild honey for the amber teleporter and the red teleporter. I still need to figure out where the lava dust is because I'm running out of places. And that's basically about it. What are the chances? I did it. Okay, I guess it was a rare chance for royal jelly here too. God dang. I really need to keep my eyes open. Oh. What else do I need to make? Ooh, I want to make all the lamps. And it seems we almost have enough for all of them. But where to put them is the next question. I don't know where. Then there's this. Begin a round of slime ball as soon as a single slime passes through the hoop. What's your high score? I also need that for an achievement. Oops. It just popped in my head. There you go. And here you go. Perfect. And I'm going to pause there for the day. I've been recording a little too long. I apologize for that. And I am also sorry for doing research on this again. Because I never would have found out about any of this without the research part done. But we got this whole area, except for this part, done. We will start there next time on Slime Rancher. See you guys soon.